Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this error when 64-bit DX11 is cooked and not responding. This video will be quick, just make sure to subscribe and also leave a like if you will find this guide useful. Now, if you are seeing only this cooked option and you are not seeing not responding, just let it cook. It will basically load up even if it's written like so. It's not an error. Now if it's not responding, then it's a problem which we're gonna fix. So first of all, you want to open up your task manager and close anything related to Rocket League. So for example, I'm now gonna close Rocket League. Also, you want to go ahead and close Epic Games Launcher if you're using Epic Games Launcher for Rocket League, and the task, and basically just search for anything related to Epic Games or Rocket League. If you are using Steam, then just go ahead and close Steam. Now, if that will not fix the problem, what you want to do is go ahead, write down run, and on run option, you want to write down % local app data %, click OK. Now this will open up. You want to go ahead and find, so on Epic Games, you can go ahead and find Rocket League. So on saved, you will see web cache. So you want to go ahead and delete it. So it would be a local Epic Games Launcher saved, and then you will see there a web cache. And also if you have a separate folder for Rocket League. So for example, for me, it is on an external hard drive. So on Rocket League, you want to go to TA game, and if you will see any cache file, you want to go ahead and delete the cache file. If there's no, then there's nothing to delete. Now you want to go ahead and try to launch the game. After that, you want to go ahead and open up Epic Games Launcher. If you are using Steam, it will be the same, but all you want to do is go to library, find Rocket League, then click on three dots, click on manage, and just verify the files. It will take a few minutes to verify the files, but basically it should fix the problem of not responding. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.